Hello everyone, I Sujata Yadav, PGT Geography teacher. Right now I'm taking 10th, 11th and 12th classes. So geography, for me, geography is a very simple or we can say innovative subject because geography is very easy to understand. So usually I ask students to think about or imagine the things because geography is all about imagination and the reality surrounding us. Geography is basically divided in two parts which we already know, that physical geography and human geography. So in physical geography, we all know that we talk about the nature, the beauty of the nature, that how things are, where are the mountains, where are the plateaus, where are the plains areas. So we can teach students or we can ask students to imagine the things or to imagine the nature or them or surrounding, so they can easily relate it or they can easily understand the topics of the physical geography, that how the earth is how the earth origined, how it was earlier and now how the shape is changed, how it is evaluating with the time or changes with the time. And in the human geography, we usually deal with the different aspects or phenomena of the humans, that our population, our demographic criteria, how for a particular area human population or demography is working, where are mostly populated areas, what are the reasons where the least populated areas, and what about the density, that how they are living in a particular area. We usually talk about the different aspects of demography, not about the density or the distribution of population, but how their occupation works, or they are related or they are moving from a different places, what are the reasons for their migrations, and we deal with all these aspects in the geography. So geography is a very simple subject to understand, or we can make it interesting with the imagination of the students, that how they can relate their topics surrounding with them and relate with the nature and beauty of the subject. So though I was a fresher in the Surat school, but I'm glad and I'm happy to be part of this school, because I have seen the director sir and the principal Mrs. Bindu Sharma. They are very supportive towards me, and they know how they gave us privilege to do work or to do everything which is possible in our favor to teach the students, and they gave us full support that how we can do anything and manage this class by ourselves. And basically in our school or Surat school are having the full-fledged geography lab. So I think this is the plus point we are having, other than the different schools which are not having the geography or basic geography lab, but we are having the full-fledged geography lab. And in the coming time we are going to have a social science exhibition also, where different students are making different models on the different topic, and they will show their talent or different perspectives about the different topics.